Harry Potter Butterbeer Peeps, $1.52. Pop-Tarts Frosted Strawberry. Here's some pop-ups, lollipops, $3. Look at these, aren't these cute? T-shirts for the little ones, $14.98. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. This is cute too. Peeps shoes, $17.94. Peep bath bombs, $3. A teether, $5.97. Peep Kids Collection coloring cup, dye. Look at the Peep cups. $5.97. Peep slip bombs, $1. This is Easter grass bath soap, $2. That's cute.
Yeah, it's
really cute.
In this story.
Here's the bath bombs, $3. Cute, cute, cute. In case you didn't get them at Bath & Body, here's the Peep travel keychains with the bath bomb, $3. Nail polish, Senate, $5. This bow's cute, $4.88. Light up necklace, $4.88. Here's the bibs. Those are cute too. Bibs are $4.88. Here's the Grow and Peep, $3.86. Some more. Here's the bunny blower, $2.48. Here's a play pack, $1.24. Here's the super sippers, $4.88. Those are cute. Here's the glow wands, $3.86. Here's the grab and glow bubble blower, $7.47.
Keep looking at Chuck. Keep walking. Look at the, I see it.
Peeps Cloud Chalk, $5.97. $4.88. $3.86. This is cute too. Decorating a plant. Paint your own planter. That's cute. $4.88. Here's the bunny slime, $1.24. Here's Peeps Squishmallows tattoo activity, $1.97. Compound activity kits, $5.97. Here's Play-Doh, 12 for $5.97. Senate, and it's slime as well. Second season, 2026 and 2027. Peeps Easter basket, $7.47. Here's the big Peeps Easter basket, $14.97. Coming down, here's the mystery eggs, the Peep mystery eggs, $5.97. Those are cute. These are almost gone. It's a cute idea though, really cute. Oh, these are neat. Here's like Legos, the brick craft building set, $4.97. Those are cute. Here's some Peeps with the blanket, $17.94. Here's the character capes with the hood, $19.94. really want to be a Peep, $29.74 for the super cozy and soft cuddle up. Furby and Peeps, those are cute. $14.97. And these aren't, well, yeah, these are Peeps. Yummy Land, $12.98. Check these out. Makes Peeps lip gloss. Those are cute. Those are $12.98. Oh, look at these Peep baskets. They're different. $14.97. Check this out. These are cute. Senate plush. They really do smell too. $4.88. Those are cute. $8.64 for these plush. Those are dress-up plushes. Check this one out. $8.63. Then we'll come down here a little. Here's Polly Pockets in Peeps. $14.97. Here's Jumbo Mystery Eggs. And that's $11.94. Big old Peeps, $29.74. These are cute, different. $8.63. I don't know if I paid $63 though for it. That's cute. But once again, it's $8.63. I don't know about that. Here's some big rainbow ones, multicolored, $29.94. Oh, plus $35. As you can see, he's pretty large. Peeps, but I want to show them. Peppa Pig for Easter, dress up, $9.97. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching and have a wonderful, spectacular day. Bye, everyone.